This is the white lift at Wellington Hospital. It's a 1960s Otis lift. It's coming down. Yeah. Door open relay or something must be knackered, as these doors close pretty much instantly. This lift's a 1960s Otis. We are up at level 1. £2,000 or 26 persons. I have filmed this lift previously. I'm just doing a retake of it because I'm doing a whole new lift tour of this hospital featuring the service lifts too. Here we are back at B, or whatever you wish to call it, because the floor numbering doesn't quite match it. It doesn't quite match. You can shut the doors before they're fully closed as well, so that's handy. Yep. Epic sounding motor. Watch the indicator going down this time. There we are, back down at ground. Or basement, whatever you wish to call it. There it goes. And that's it.
Not Halo only. Which begs the question, they could have put that 2 button in at the top, couldn't they?
Yeah.
They really need to sort that door out. Woo!
Awesome.
The fact though that they're not the same really annoys me. That really annoys me. And do you know what I actually find? The 1 and the 2 black letter numbering are actually not easy to read.
No.
Yeah.
Be better if they were all lit, I think.
I think they. Oh, I'm wondering eventually they will be.
Yeah.
They've taken the 2 button out. They could have put the 2 there.
Yeah.
And then just had the 1 to deal with.
1,815 kgs or 24 persons.
Or maybe I need to come up here with some white twink.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't give me ideas.
Main lobby. Pakamatua, doors closing.
So this lift was originally a 1960s or 70s Otis, and despite this lift only serving 3 floors, it's a Schindler 7000. This was done in continuity to match all the other lift replacements around the hospital.
Yep.
Doors opening.
And if there's anybody in the comments going on about it can't be a 7000. We saw all the documentation and the motor before they were installed because they were sat in the corridor.
Yeah.
So anybody in the comments who's been like, it might be a 7000, no, it is, and we know it is.
Yeah.
We've seen all the documents.
Yeah.
Can tell us, well, the door tracks are 7,000, it matches the blue lifts and all that.
Yeah. That's the thing, eh?
That door.
Yeah.
I know, right?
We need to sort that out because that sounds horrific.
Doors closing.
Here it goes. And that's it. The shaft